Washer leaking, dryer not heating? No worries. T&C Appliance HVAC Repair is here to save your day. We're experts in washer and dryer repair, offering affordable services that won't break your bank. You can rely on us for top-notch service and installation, and we're available around the clock. That's right. Book your appointment online, anytime, any day. Don't let a faulty appliance ruin your game night or family dinner. With T&C, you're in good hands. Proudly serving Burlington, Durham, Chapel Hill, NC, and surrounding areas. So don't wait. Call T&C Appliance HVAC Repair today and get your appliances back in tip-top shape.